Hey everyone, it's Andrew. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a video doing an unboxing and review of the PHF or Pacific Home Fashion's 100% cotton waffle weave blanket, which is this blanket right here. This is a 100% cotton blanket that you can currently get on Amazon for about $57. It's going to be a great all-season blanket that you can use for a variety of purposes, either on your bed or on the couch or just as a throw kind of like blanket for on an armchair. And so what we'll do in this video is we'll take this out of the packaging, show you what it looks like up close, then I'll walk through kind of just the general sense of my overall review. As always, if you're interested in potentially purchasing this, I'll leave links in the description below. Okay, so this is the PHF or Pacific Home Fashion 100% cotton waffle weave blanket. This is going to be the king size version, which you can currently get on Amazon for about $57. They've got this size as well as several other sizes, including a throw size, twin size, queen size, this king size, and then an oversized king size. And additionally, they have 24 separate color options. So really they've got the gamut as far as sizes and color options for this blanket. As far as the main highlights of this blanket, it's going to be 100% cotton. Really is going to be an all-around, all-season blanket that you can use for either winter, summertime, really for just warming you up or keeping you covered kind of on a nice kind of sunny day to a certain extent. And the nice thing about it is that you're going to be able to use this kind of as a throw blanket or on your bed or on a couch. So it's going to be very versatile from that standpoint. I believe the color option that they gave me for this is the beige color. So yeah, it's the beige. It is vacuum sealed. Okay, so we'll open this up. And I think that it'll expand, we'll see. Yeah, there we go. And so it was very vacuum packed in there. And then this is basically the blanket up close. It's really compact down, but if you see, we'll try to kind of fold this out and get an edge to it so we can get a sense of what it looks like on the edge. But it's a general waffle weave blanket that you can really use for all sorts of purposes. It's actually a thinner blanket, so as you can tell here, it's a thin material, so that's why it's very versatile for layering for winter time when you need an additional layer for your bed or on the couch, or for summertime you can use this as a thinner blanket just to have when you want something to cover you without keeping you too hot during the summer. What I'm actually going to do is actually throw this on my bed, but this is a sense of what it looks like. It's got this like waffle weave pattern on it. It's not the softest of blankets, it's just like a cotton blanket that's a thin material that you can throw on your bed, but it's a nice overall blanket in general, and they've got a wide variety of color options as well as the sizes. So what I'll do now is I'll just throw this on my bed so you can get a sense of what it actually looks like rather than up close like this. Okay, so here's what the blanket actually looks like when you fully lay it out. So it's definitely a king size because my mattress is actually a queen size bed, so very large size from that standpoint. As you can tell, it is a thin, very breathable material. It's not, I would describe the touch of it a little, it's not the softest of materials. It's just kind of like a blanket type of thing. Not the softest, not the harshest, not scratchy or anything like that. But it does provide just like a waffle weave blanket that you can throw on your bed very easily. And at this price point, it's a nice throw blanket that you can use for multiple purposes. What I'll plan on doing is I'll start using this on my bed or on the couch, test it out, see a general sense of it, and I'll circle back with the review after using it after a period of time. But this is the beige color. They've got 24 different color options, and they've got the different sizes, so definitely check it out. If you have questions though, just post them below and I'd be happy to answer them with longer term use of this.